Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the problem. Open Settings, Battery health, and record the percentage and any messages. Once done, back up your device to iCloud or a computer so data is safe. Make sure the battery sits around 50–80%. Next, acquire a compatible replacement battery and the right tools: pentalobe and tri-point screwdrivers, a spudger, suction handle, and new adhesive strips, because the correct parts prevent damage and ensure a safe swap. Power off the iPhone, then remove the 2 pentalobe screws by the lightning connector. This prevents short circuits while you work. Use a suction cup and plastic pick to open the display just enough to access internal connectors. Work slowly and keep the screen angled like a book. Once you see the battery connector, disconnect it with a spudger, then pull the adhesive tabs straight and slowly to free the battery. Be patient and avoid bending the battery or stressing nearby cables to prevent damage. Position the replacement battery in its tray and connect the battery connector firmly. Once connected, reseat the display and replace the pentalobe screws. Power on the phone and verify it boots. Then perform a full charge cycle and monitor battery health in settings after about 24 hours to let the system recalibrate. If your phone fails to boot, shows a battery service message, or behaves oddly, power down, reopen, and inspect connectors for secure seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.